Hello friends, today we will learn about nucleosides, other parts like AMP and GMP are formed from IMP. The conversion of IMP to either AMP or GMP utilizes a two-step energy requiring pathway. Note that the synthesis of AMP requires GTP as an energy source, whereas the synthesis of GMP requires ATP. Let's know about conversion of nucleoside monophosphates to nucleoside diphosphates and triphosphates. Nucleoside diphosphates, that is NDP, are synthesized from the corresponding nucleoside monophosphate NMP by base specific nucleoside monophosphate kinases. ATP is generally the source of the transferred phosphate because it is present in higher concentrations than the other nucleoside triphosphates. For example, adenylate kinase AMP plus ATP gives rise to 2-ATP. For example, guanylate kinase GMP plus ATP gives rise to GDP plus ADP. Nucleoside diphosphates and triphosphates are interconverted by nucleoside diphosphate kinase, an enzyme that, unlike the monophosphate kinases, has broadly specificity. For example, GTP plus ATP reverse reaction GDP plus ADP. For example, CDP plus ATP reverse reaction CTP plus ADP. Let's know about salvage pathways for purines. Purines that result from the normal turnover of cellular nucleic acids or that are obtained from the diet and not degraded can be converted into nucleoside triphosphates and used by the body. This is referred to as the salvage pathway for purines. This pathway involves two enzymes, adenine phosphoribosylase transferase, that is APRT, and hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase HGPRT. Both enzymes utilizes PRPP as the source of the ribose 5-phosphate group. Adenine phosphoribosyl transferase catalyzes the formation of adenylate. Adenine plus PRPP gives rise to adenylate plus PPI, whereas hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferases, that is HGPRT, catalyzes the formation of guanylate as well as inosinate, a precursor of guanylate and adenylate. Guanine plus PRPP gives rise to guanylate plus PPI. Hypoxanthine plus PRPP gives rise to inosinate plus PPI. Similar salvage pathways exist for pyrimidines. Pyrimidine phosphoribosyl transferase will reconnect uracil but not cytosine to PRPP. Nucleotide degradation. Degradation of purine nucleotides. Purine nucleotides are sequentially degraded by the removal or alterations of portions of the nucleotide. The end product of purine catabolism in humans is uric acid. Mammals other than primates oxidize uric acid further to allantoin, which in some animals other than mammals may be further degraded to urea or even ammonia. In human beings, uric acid is the final product of urine degradation and is excreted in the urine. Let's know in short. In short, an amino group is removed from AMP to produce IMP or from adenosine to produce inosine. IMP and GMP are converted into their nucleoside forms inosine and guanosine. Inosine and guanosine converted into their respective purine bases hypoxanthine and guanine. Guanine is deaminated to form xanthine. Hypoxanthine is oxidized by xanthine oxidase to xanthine, which is further oxidized to uric acid, the final product of human purine degradation. Uric acid is excreted in the urine. Let's know about adenosine deaminase deficiency. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, that is ADA deficiency, leads to severe combined immunodeficiency, that is SCID. In SCID, T and B lymphocytes do not develop properly. Lack of ADA leads to an increase in the cellular concentration of DATP. DATP acts as a strong inhibitor of ribonucleotide reductase. High levels of DATP produce a general deficiency of other DNTP in T lymphocytes. The basis of beta lymphocytes or B lymphocytes toxicity is less clear. Let's know in gut. Let's know about gut. In human beings, urate is the final product of purine degradation and is excreted in the urine. High serum levels of urate induce gout. It causes inflammation of the joints by participation as sodium urate crystals. The treatment of gout includes the use of the drug allopurinol. This drug has a structure similar to xanthine and acts by inhibiting the enzyme xanthine oxidase. Xanthine oxidase, a molybdenum and iron containing flavoprotein, oxidizes hypoxanthine to xanthine and then to uric acid. Hence, inhibition of the activity of xanthine oxidase inhibits uric acid synthesis. Leach-Nyhan syndrome. This genetic disorder is caused by a deficiency of the salvage enzyme hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase, that is HGPRT. The biochemical consequences of the visual absence of HGPRT are an elevated concentration of PRPP, a marked increase in the rate of purine biosynthesis by the de novo pathway, and an overproduction of urate. Children with the deficiency display compulsive self-destructive behavior. They also show signs of mental retardation, and because there is less salvaging of bases, more uric acid is produced, causing gout. Degradation of pyrimidine nucleotides. Let's know about degradation of pyrimidine nucleotides. Unlike the purine rings, which are not cleaved in human cells, the pyrimidine ring can be opened and degraded to highly water-soluble structures such as beta-amino isobutyrate and beta-alanine. Now, thank you. Now, here nucleotides completed. Next part we will study about vitamins. Thank you.